So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in notifications and actions. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on additional settings. Now you're going to scroll down again. And then where it says get tips and suggestions when using Windows, you're going to turn this off. You want to untick this. And now for the second step, on the left hand side, you're going to click on personalization. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on start. Now once you're on this, you're going to scroll down again. It's now going to be saying show recommendations for tips, shortcuts, new apps and more. You're going to turn this off as well. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. You're going to wait for the scan to be fully completed on 100%. Then you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.